What if you could run your entire crypto trading setup just by talking to it? No menus, no 12 open tabs. You type, "Show me what's moving today," and your trading platform actually answers. That's what we're setting up today. I'm going to connect a platform called Altrady to the AI assistant Claude using something called MCP. By the end of this video, you'll be able to scan markets, analyze charts, and prepare trades in plain English. And don't worry, you still approve every single order. The AI never moves your money on its own. If you're brand new to this, you're in exactly the right place. Subscribe to the channel and let's go. Quick overview of what you need before we start. 3 things. 1. The Altrady Desktop app. This is a crypto trading platform that connects to your exchange accounts, so you can trade and track everything from one place. It runs on Windows and Mac. 2. The Claude Desktop app from Anthropic. Claude is the AI we'll actually be talking to. It's what reads your charts, scans the markets, and preps your trades. 3. A crypto exchange account, like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or KuCoin. Altrady supports over 15 of them. Now, what's MCP? You'll hear that term a lot. It stands for Model Context Protocol. Forget the technical name. Here's the simple version. MCP is basically a bridge that lets an AI assistant talk to an app on your computer. Without it, Claude can only chat. And here's the important security part, so I'll say it slowly. With Altrady, the MCP server runs locally, inside the Altrady desktop app. It's not sending your data off to some random website. Your exchange API keys are trading only. They can never withdraw your funds. So let's start. Step 1. Get both apps installed. First, head to altrady.com and download the desktop app for your system. Windows or Mac. Altrady offers a free trial, so you can follow along without paying anything. Install it like any normal app. Next, grab the Claude Desktop app and install that too. Make sure it's the actual desktop application, not just the website in your browser, because the MCP connection needs the desktop app. Once both are installed, open them up. Create or log into your Altrady account and sign into Claude. Now let's connect your exchange. Step 2. Connect your crypto exchange to Altrady using API keys. This is the part beginners find a little intimidating, so let's slow down. An API key is just a special password that lets 2 apps talk to each other safely. You generate it on your exchange and you paste it into Altrady. In Altrady, go to Settings, then Exchange Account API Keys, and click Connect Account. Pick your exchange from the list. Now over on your exchange, find the API management page. It's usually under your account or security settings. Create a new API key, give it a name like Altrady, and here's the critical part. Enable trading permissions, but leave withdrawals turned off. Always. There's never a reason for a trading tool to be able to withdraw your money. Copy the API key and the secret it gives you. Paste both into Altrady and connect. Altrady encrypts your keys and stores them locally on your machine. And there it is. Your balances and portfolio now show up inside Altrady. One quick note. Altrady never holds or moves your funds. All trades execute directly on your exchange, under your control. Step 3. Enable Altrady's MCP server. Remember, the MCP server lives inside the Altrady desktop app. So in Altrady settings, look for the MCP server section and enable it. When you turn it on, Altrady will give you the connection details for the server, typically an install prompt. Keep that window open and copy those details, because we'll hand them to Claude in the next step. A quick reassurance. Because the server is local, it only works while the Altrady app is open and running on your computer. Step 4. Connect Altrady to Claude. You've already copied the install prompt from Altrady. Now open the Claude Desktop app and paste that prompt straight into the chat, then send it. Claude reads the connection details right from what you pasted and sets up the link to Altrady for you. Here's the step people always miss, so write it down. After you paste the prompt, fully quit Claude and reopen it. Not just close the window, actually quit the app. And now congratulations, the bridge is live. Let me show you what this actually unlocks. There are dozens of ways to use it, but 3 of them have become part of my daily routine, and they're the ones I'd start with. Use case 1, the daily trade review. The first thing I use this for every single day is a performance debrief. Not just, did I make money today? That's the wrong question. The right question is, did I trade well today? Because you can make money on a bad trade and lose money on a good one. Over time, what matters is the quality of your process, not just the outcome. So at the end of every session, I open Claude and I ask, review my trades from today. Tell me if my entries match my stated strategy, whether my position sizing was consistent, whether I closed too early or held too long, and give me an honest assessment of my decision making. And Claude doesn't just echo back your data, it interprets it. It tells you things like you had 3 setups that matched your criteria and the 2 that didn't were both losers, or your average hold time on winning trades is half what it is, which means you're cutting your winners short. That kind of feedback, delivered consistently, every single day, that's what actually makes you a better trader over time. Use case 2, the performance report. Every week I ask Claude to generate a full performance report. And I mean full, not just total P&L. I want it broken down by asset, by session, by setup type. Win rate, average risk reward, best trade, worst trade, maximum drawdown, capital allocated versus capital at risk, margin usage across the week. I type one message, 1, and Claude pulls everything from Altrady, structures it, and gives me a report that looks like something a professional fund would produce. This used to take me 2 hours in a spreadsheet on a Sunday evening. Now it takes about 15 seconds, and it's more thorough than anything I ever built by hand. Use case 3, the market scanner. Here's one traders underestimate until they actually use it. You can tell Claude exactly what kind of market environment you're looking for, and it'll scan Altrady's data and come back with a curated shortlist. Say you're a breakout trader. You want assets with above average volume in the last 24 hours, strong directional momentum, and a volatility profile that gives you enough range to make the trade worthwhile. You type that, and Claude gives you 5 to 10 assets that match, right now ranked by relevance. Or maybe you're hunting mean reversion setups, or assets in tight consolidation before a potential move, or coins with unusually high open interest relative to their market cap. Whatever your edge is, just describe it, and Claude becomes your personal market radar. That's something that used to require a paid screener tool, a developer to maintain it, and your own time to monitor it. Now it's just a conversation. There's another layer to this that goes beyond reviewing what already happened. You can use Claude to actually analyze the market in front of you. Think about what technical analysis normally involves. You're flipping between time frames, drawing levels by hand, checking where price sits against its moving averages, reading momentum, cross-referencing volume. It's slow, it's manual, and honestly, on a tired afternoon, it's easy to miss things. Now you just ask. I'll pull up an asset and say, walk me through the technicals here. Where's the trend on the higher time frames? Mark the key support and resistance. Tell me where price is relative to the major moving averages, and flag anything unusual in momentum or volume. And because Claude is reading Altrady's live data, it doesn't guess. It pulls the actual numbers and interprets them, the way an experienced trader would talk you through a chart. It'll tell you price is pressing against a level it's been rejected from twice before, or that momentum is fading even though price is still climbing, a divergence you might have glossed over. Before I go, one last thing. Everything I showed you today works. The trade reviews, the reports, the scanner, the live analysis. You can go set all of that up tonight, and you'll already be operating at a level most traders never reach. But I'd be selling it short if I let you walk away, thinking that's the whole picture. Because it isn't. It's version 1. That's the second layer I'm most excited about and haven't shown you yet. It's giving Claude not just access to your trades, but memory of them. A trading journal that writes itself, that tracks every decision, every repeated mistake, every behavioral pattern. Not just your strategy, but you. And in 15 years of trading, Claude is the first tool I've found that can actually do that. So here's the deal. If this video hits 5,000 likes, I'll build that video next. The full advanced setup. Claude as your journal, your psychological debrief, your long-term performance tracker. If today was useful, and if you made it this far, I think it was, then you already know what to do. Hit that like button, because it genuinely helps this reach more traders who need it. Drop a comment and tell me which use case you're setting up first. I read every one of them. And subscribe, so when I drop that advanced build, you're not the last to know. But more than any of that, whatever you do next, go connect Claude to Altrady. I'll see you in the next one.